Hello boys and girls. Today we are working on lesson 112 in our Go Math book, and we're working on the strategy draw a diagram. So the first step of this assignment will be to unlock the problem, and that just means to underline your pertinent details and figure out what this is asking you to do. So Sammy scored 84 points. Well, I know 84 points is going to be important. In the first round, now first round may or may not be important, so I'm not going to underline it right now, of a new computer game. He scored 21 more points in the second round, than in the first. So this first round is going to be important, second round, first round is going to be important. What was the total? Now, total tells me to add right now. You will find that this is a fluid concept, and as you gain more knowledge, you will change these. So don't get stuck on, oh, that means addition. So let's decode this. 84, and we decided this would be addition. 21 more than 84. So this is the numerical way. This is how we can solve a problem and decode it to find the answer or the total. The other way, the way that they are wanting us to do it today, is to draw a picture or a diagram. And so they encourage us to use bar graphs. So the first thing I ask that you do is to draw me a bar graph and cut it about in half. Of course, mine's not perfect. And you're going to draw 84. Now you can write the number 84, or you can do the base 10 method, and this would represent a 10 or a rod, and this would represent a unit or a 1. So I'm just going to draw 84. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84. Over here, I'm going to do 21 and 84. Let me make that a little bigger so I don't get confused. 10, 20, 1, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I have drawn this problem, and I just need to solve it. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So I have, and theoretically it should look something like this, but I've run out of room. It'd be 180 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my answer is 189. Do you see how I've got that? If I was to solve it this way, I would say, well, 20 plus 80 is 100. 1 plus 4 is 5, so it would be 105 plus 84. Well, there's a 1 in the hundreds place, an 8 in the tens place, and 4 and 5 equals 9. So the answer is 189. What you will find is there's so many different ways to get the same answer, and you just have to figure out which one you like the best. As we go down here, this just breaks it apart a little bit slower. So we know that the first round had 84. In the second round, there was 21. Well, 84 and 21 hopefully you can do this mentally, would be 105. So you say 84, 105. Well, 84 and 105 is 1 in the hundredths place, 8 and 0 in the tens place, 4 and 5 in the ones place equals 189. So on this one sheet of paper, I have showed you 3 different ways to solve this problem. The first is to draw a diagram and model it using the base 10 method. This is just the standard numerical way to do it. And on the bottom, instead of using the base 10 block method, you just use numbers and you mental math. I hope this helps.